Look around us. The nature is so beautiful, valuable, and meaningful to all creatures on the earth. She can heal our souls, makes us happy. But have you ever realized how long will it stay like this? Fashion sounds so luxurious and charming. Colors, shapes, cuts. However, many things are hidden along the process that affect both the nature and the environment. Dyeing is one of the most toxic activities in production process. No matter it's natural, synthetic, or obtained by recycling plastic bottles, all fibers need lots of fresh water for dyeing. Residual dye discharge also pollutes our rivers and water bodies. High temperature and chemicals are needed, which along with emission of greenhouse gases create global warming. Radianza, made with the revolutionary gel dyeing technology, solved this problem. Now making one garment with Radianza saves up to 30 liters of water, consumes 20 times less energy, and has much less impact to the environment than the conventional processes. The nature is very important for all living being. It's home. Open your eyes, free your heart, and connect to Mother Nature. Is it time yet for us to take care and protect our environment? The responsibility is on all of us. As manufacturers, is it right to focus only the raw material, but not the processes like dyeing? This question is to all of us to answer if we want to protect our nature.
Hello everyone, welcome to the world of Radianza. You have just seen a video where we talked about various environmental issues that our textile industry is facing. We have seen the impact of dyeing and processing on the environment that happens because of the various textile processes. You also saw a little bit about Radianza, although not in much detail, that how Radianza is trying to address the problems of all these problems. We will go into more detail. We will talk about what is Radianza, how Radianza is made, what is the technology behind Radianza, how Radianza is a very sustainable fiber, and what all you can make with Radianza. But before we deep dive, let's hear from Dr. Jagdish Barik, who is the head of sustainability for Aditya Birla's textile business, on various initiatives that ABG is taking on sustainability.
I'll just take you through quickly the Aditya Birla Group sustainability framework. We have a holistic Aditya Birla Group sustainability framework having three pillars: responsible stewardship, then stakeholders engagement, and then future-proofing the business. As part of responsible stewardship, we do this energy, carbon, water, emission management, health and safety aspect. Stakeholders engagement takes care of understanding the mega trends and interacting with strategic stakeholders to understand the future things going to come, and then integrate with the future planning strategy of the business to survive and thrive quite long term, 2030, 2050 and beyond that. So that's a brief about Aditya Birla Group Sustainability Framework. And some of the key elements I would just like to focus here is one of the initiative is the Higg Index. So Higg Index is a overall sustainability index of complete value chain of our textile business, which is done in collaboration with SAC, and which we do regularly. All the modules like our facility module, then our brand module and our product module, for each of these we get a score and which is validated by SAC approved validator. And the second initiative which we have done, especially focusing on the chemical management aspect to achieve the zero toxic initiatives, we have a ZDHC compliance system, we have REACH compliance and OCOTEX compliance. And to focus on this circular economy aspect, we have several projects in line for waste management and how to recycle, reuse the products and raw materials so that we can minimize the waste from the complete value chain. And the next initiative is about the water management. Regarding water management, we have a water risk assessment through Aqueduct, and we have a proper mitigation plan to survive and thrive in each of our locations in future times. And regarding the product stewardship, we have a philosophy that we have done the life cycle assessment of all our products to understand the environmental impact across the product life cycle, and then take the mitigation action plan as per that. Radianja is one of our product which talks about the complete story, which you will understand from our team. And we have been publishing our sustainability report from last 5 years, which is in the public domain, and got various reward and recognition from at national and international level.
So let's look at more deeply into what Radianza is. Radianza is a ready-to-use dyed acrylic fiber. The fiber, the brand and the trademark are all owned by Aditya Birla Group's Thai acrylic fiber company. The fiber is manufactured in our facility in Saraburi province of Thailand. Radianza fiber comes into a variety of deniers, cut lengths and forms like toe, top and staple fiber. Our customers are primarily yarn spinners who buy Radianza fiber from us and make different kinds of yarns for various end uses, either in 100% content of Radianza or mixed with various other fibers in different blend ratios. Radianza has a wide palette when it comes to shades. Till date, more than 500 shades of Radianza have been produced. Not only Radianza has very vibrant shades and colors, but Radianza is one of the most durable fibers when it comes to color fastness. It has excellent color fastness to rubbing, light and washing. We also have an in-house facility where we match shades of Radianza and also develop new colors. You can request a shade book from us or also can look at our shade card which is available online. The technology behind Radianza is called gel dyeing. In its manufacturing process, just after the polymer dope is spun and the fiber is extracted from the spinneret, the fiber is highly amorphous and porous. It is neither completely solid nor completely liquid. It is in a gel-like state. That is where the name gel dyeing comes from. At this stage, when the fiber is extremely amorphous and porous and has voids inside the fiber, the basic dye, which is the dye from which acrylic is dyed, is added, which gets sucked into the fiber like a sponge. Here you can see the actual process of gel dyeing. The undyed fiber is coming from one side, is getting dipped into the dye solution and getting out of the dye solution as a dyed fiber. The undyed fiber is in a gel state that we discussed before. It passes through the dye solution where the dye gets absorbed in the fiber in an instant. Dye stuff concentration in dye bath is very low. resulting in good rubbing fastness and complete absorption with zero discharge to the environment. The impact of gel dyeing is astonishing. If we consider only the dyeing part as compared to conventional yarn dyeing, gel dyeing takes only a few seconds as against a few hours in conventional dyeing. Due to low concentration of dye used, gel dyeing has close to zero discharge of the unused dye, which is significant in conventional dyeing. There is a detailed study done on the life cycle of garments made with Radianza, and there has been a significantly less impact on the environment due to gel dyeing, like water consumption, global warming potential, primary energy demand, etc. We would be very happy to share with you the detailed study in case you want to know more. So what does it mean? What does gel dyeing achieve at a garment level? For one pair of sweater that is made with Radianza as compared to conventional dyeing methods, you save 30 liters of water, and that's for one sweater. Imagine the number of sweaters that are made every year. They run into millions. How much water can we save? How much water can be provided to the people who don't have access to drinking water today? Imagine how much water can be saved, how much less pollution can be done. Other environmental factors like global warming potential, primary energy demand, etc. are also significantly lesser.
Hi everyone, right now we gotta go through what applications Radianza can go in. It can be knitwear, bottom weight or shirting, denims and home textile. Now let's go into detail each of one. Knitwear. Radianza is commonly used in sweaters, pullovers and winter accessories such as beanies, socks, scarves or gloves. Knitwear made with Radianza provided the feel and look closely resembling wool, but at the same time is lighter, more durable and has more vibrant colors. In addition to flat knits, Radianza goes into innerwear, base layers and casual wear too. Blending Radianza with other fibers or many shades of Radianza together in one yarn can give fancy and melange effects without the need of dyeing, thus saving natural resources in production process. Another application of Radianza is into hand knitting yarns. In addition to the various fancy effects, consumers can be assured of getting shades of their choice even at long gaps between buying. Shirting and bottom waist. Radianza offers more than 200 shades with great color fastness. It could make shirt and trouser collections vibrant and attractive. By weaving with spandex, would give your bottom weight fabrics very comfortable to wear. And blend with different shades of Radianza or other materials would give interesting melange colors in your range. Other woven applications of Radianza are dresses, chinos, shorts, carpets, and suits. Denim. Radianza, when used in the webbed in a denim fabric, will add a colorful appeal to the jeans or denim jackets, especially with the new trend of color denim. Colorful effects can be achieved in the garment and will be visible once folded. The last one is home textiles. Radianza can be used in home textiles such as carpets and curtains, with proof of better color fastness and more than 200 shades offering. Now we can talk about how we can work together. If you are interested to develop a range of sustainable fashions with Radianza, we are ready to support you, no matter you are brands, mills, or spinners. We can do our part by helping you in new product development, value chain development, and communication tools like QR code, hang tags, POS materials, and access to innovations happening by existing Radianza value chain partners. We have technical support, marketing support, or if you would like to develop the new shades of Radianza, we can help you on that as per your request. If you have any inquiries, please do not hesitate to contact us to our email address and our website. And remember, think of nature, think of Radianza.